Hello students, let's see the 8 wonders of the world. First wonder, Great Pyramid of Giza. It's located in Egypt. It's constructed in the year 2560 BC. Second wonder, Great Wall of China. It is located in China, constructed in the year 700 BC. Third wonder, Petra. It is located in Jordan. It's constructed in the year 312 BC. Fourth wonder, Colosseum. It is located in Rome, Italy, constructed in the year AD 80. Fifth wonder, Chichen Itza. It is located in Yucatan, Mexico, and it's built in the year AD 600. Sixth wonder, Machu Picchu. It's located in Cusco region, Peru, and it's constructed in the year AD 1450. Seventh wonder, Taj Mahal. It is located in Agra, India, and it's built in the year AD 1643. Eighth wonder, Christ the Redeemer. It is located in Brazil. It is constructed in the year AD 1931.